Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
A warm welcome to all the students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Standard 5, Subject Mathematics. Topic Roman numerals. Hello children, in Roman numerals last video, we have already learned some rules and some symbols to write Roman numerals. And I hope everybody must have learned it thoroughly. Now let us learn how to make this Roman numerals 1 to 20 by using the rules and symbols. Now which symbols we are going to use? We are going to use I for 1, V for 5 and X for 10. Now are you ready with your pen and book? Okay. We'll begin with number 1. 1 is I. The symbol I is used for number 1. Number 2 is 1 plus 1, that is 2 times I makes your number 2. Number 3 is 1 plus 1 plus 1. So I use 3 times. And I makes your symbol for 3. Number 4, can I use that 4 as I 4 times? No, we cannot use I 4 times. That's why number 4 is written as 5 minus 1. So I before V makes your number 4. Now number 5, as you know, it is V. Number 6 is 5 plus 1. So I return to the right of V. So VI is the symbol for 6. Number 7 is 5 plus 2. So VII. 2 is written to the right of V. So VII is the symbol for 7. 8 is written as 5 plus 3. So Roman 8 will be VIII. 3 is written to the right of V. So VII is the number for 8. Now 9 is 10 minus 1. So we are writing I before X. That is left of X makes your 9IX. And last number 10 is X. So here are your all 1 to 10 numbers in Roman numerals. Once again, we'll revise it. Everybody just note down your numbers 1 to 10 in Roman. All of you just copy down this in your notebook. 1 is I, 2 is 2 times I, 3 is 3 times I, 4 is IV, 5th is V, 6th is VI, 7 is VII, 8 is VIII, 9th is IX, and 10th is X. Now everybody note down this number. Have you all done? Now next we are going to learn number 11 to 20. And it is very easy for us to make 11 to 20 because we are just going to add all your 1 to 9 Roman numerals into X. That is all the 1 to 9 Roman numerals to the right of X makes your 11 to 20 numbers. Your 11 is 10 plus 1. So XI, 1 is written to the right. I is written to the right of X makes your number 11. Then 12, 10 plus 2, so XII, 13, 10 plus 3, so XIII, 14 is 10 plus 4, so X and your Roman numeral 4, so XIV, 15 is 10 plus 5, so XV, 16 is 10 plus 6, so XVI. 6 Roman is written to the right of X, so XVI makes your 16. 17 is 10 plus 7, so X and Roman numeral 7 to the right of X, XVII. Similarly, 18, 10 plus 8, XVIII. 19 is 10 plus 9, so XIX. The last number 20 is 10 plus 10, so that is 2 times XX. So this is all your 11 to 20 numbers in Roman numerals. So here are they. Everybody just note down all the numerals. In Roman numerals, 11 is XI, 12 is XII, 13 is XIII. Everybody is writing? Yes. 14 is XIV. 15 is XV, 16 is XVI, 17 is XVII, 18 is XVIII, 19 is XIX, and 20 is XX. So these are your all Roman numerals 1 to 20. It is all international numbers 1 to 20. We have learned how to write them in a Roman numerals by using our symbols I, V and X. But do you know that any other letters are used in Roman numerals? Do you have any idea? Do you know which other letters are used in Roman numerals? No? Now let us see here. Yes. Other than IVX, you can use letters L for 50, letter C for 100, and D for 500, and M for 1000. So these are the letters L, C, D, M which we can use in the Roman numerals other than I, V, and X. So everybody remember this and note down this also. That is L stands for 50, C for 100, T for 500, and M for 1000. So that's all about your all Roman numeral topic today. So now everybody have learned it properly? Good. Now let me check how much you have learned. This is time to evaluate now. Now let me check how much you understood. So for that, be ready with your pen and book. Here is your first question. Write the correct number next to each Roman numerals. Now here are some Roman symbols given to you. You have to write the correct international number for it. Everybody start writing your question first. Number 1 is II, 2 is V, 3 is IV, 4 is X, 5th III, 6th VI, 7th one XI. Everybody is writing the questions. Okay. 8th one is IX, 9th one is XII, 10th one XV, 11th one XX, 12th one XIX, 13th one is XVII, and 14th is XIV. Everybody just note down your all the questions first and try to write down the answers for it. Come on, hurry up. I know you can do it. Yes, children. Are you writing? Good, very good. You must have finished with the first 7. Now come on, next 7. Yes. Those who are finished, we can check with your answers. Your first one, I stands for number 2. Good. V for 5. IV for 4. X is 10. Everybody got all correct. Good, good. Next is I is 3. VI is 6. XI is 11. Everybody got all correct answers. Good. Next is IX stands for 9. XII is 12. XV is 15. XX is 20. XIX is 19. XVII is 17. And XIV is 14. Very good, children. All must have got correct answers. Great. Now the next question for it. So what you have to do here? All the questions are in international numbers. You have to write them in a Roman numerals. So here are your questions. Everybody note down your question first. 1 is number 1, then 3, 10, 5, 6, 11, 4, 15, 20, 13, 17, 12, 18, and last 14. Note down all the questions. Good. Now try to write them in a Roman numerals. Come on, children, you can do it. Write it fast. Good. Who can do it fast? Very good. All have started? Okay. You just have to remember your all the rules. And you have already done this. Now check your answer, those who have finished. Your 1 is symbol I. 3 is 3 times I. 10 is X. 5 is V. 6 is VI. 11 is XI. 4 is IV. 15 is XV. 20 is 2 times X. 13 is XII. 17 is XVII. All are getting correct answers? Yes. 12 is XII. 18 is XVIII. And the last one, 14 is XIV. Yeah, everyone has done the correct. Great. You have done a great job. All the answers are correct. Good. Now here is your small activity which is based on Roman numerals. This is just by using the matchsticks or any other sticks which is available to you. You can place it on a plain paper or a sheet or on a plain surface and make this type of equation with it. The first equation is Vi plus Ii, that is 6 plus 2 equal to 4. Is it a correct equation? No, it is wrong. 5 plus 2 is 7 and they are given as 4. So what you have to do? You have to just remove your one stick from it and make the equation correct. For example, in this first equation, I will just lift your standing one stick from addition sign. That is, if I lift one vertical stick from addition, then it is become subtraction. So now Pi minus 2 is our equal to 4. So that makes your equation correct. So like this, you have to make your all this equation correct equation by lifting one stick from it. First, you will arrange all these sticks on a plain sheet or plain surface. Make this equation and try to lift only one or remove one stick from it and make your equation correct. So this is your activity which you are going to enjoy. So goodbye and take care and always keep learning something every day.